HealthBreak is sponsored by Mission Health.
The typical knee replacement operation cuts a part of the quadriceps tendon, which can affect a person's muscle strength and recovery. But Mission Health is offering a different option. Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Landon Hall describes Subvastus knee replacement.
Subvastus comes under the muscle, sparing the quadriceps tendon, and improves the overall strength. Also speeds up our recovery. What I've seen in my practice is it's essentially cut the recovery time in half, from 3 months to really 6 weeks or even quicker. I perform my total knees utilizing robotics. This increases the precision. I do tourniquetless total knees, which also decreases postoperative pain and speeds up the recovery, so less pain, especially the first 48 hours. I also do not resurface the patella. A recent article that found that that's 28% less pain medication during the recovery period.
To learn more, go to missionhealth.org/healthbreak.